Philogix PBR Painter is new and amazing add-on for texturing in Blender. The add-on is made available by Philogix Studio on Blender Market. With the add-on enabled, select your model, add a new material, and you can bake the normal ID, ambient occlusion, and curvature map in one click. In Paint Layer, you can select different maps in view modes. If you want to change any of the maps, expand its property and change as you like and bake again. To get the add-on, click first link in the description and check other links for more amazing Blender content. You can add custom layer and smart material layer in paint layers. After adding a smart material, you can select any material from the set of material which comes with the add-on, which include rust, metal, plastic and many more. And as you can see, it's a fully procedural material created inside Blender. It provides various options like substance painter. You can play with the sliders to get desired result. You can add second smart material in paint layer and play with various blending options like Photoshop. Also, it has some pre-made UV presets which you can use from mapping on materials. It provides flexibility to edit different channel like roughness, normal, emission, height and all. By pressing V on your keyboard, you can find a pie menu which provides flexibility to see one channel at a time. You can add a new surface layer which have some pre-made filter like brick, 3D noise, dust ground, falling dust, etc., which you can use to add some variation in your material blending. Also, you can paint the texture with Blender's built-in texture paint tab with the help of the maps and comes with the add-ons or generated by the add-ons. So this is a Philogix PBR Painter. Link in the description. Subscribe for more and thanks for watching.